Welcome students. Today we will discuss the third chapter of class 3 science book, that is keeping safe. Dear students, we all are in home now, but accidents may occur anywhere anytime, right? So we have to stay safe. In this chapter we will able to know about safety on the road, safety in the playground, safety at home, safety in the classroom, and about first aid. We should follow safety rules all time here. So, what are rules we must follow while traveling a bus? The safety rules are: stand in a queue at the bus stop while boarding the bus. Do not lean out or put your head or hand out of the window of a moving bus. Do not get in or out of a moving bus. Never disturb the bus driver and keep quiet in the bus. Always remember these safety rules, and now you can enjoy your bus journey. Now, if we have to go somewhere nearby or we are just walking on the road, there are some important safety rules we have to follow. Always walk on the footpath. If there is footpath, always use left side of the road. Never play on the road and don't run across the road. Always use zebra crossing or foot overbridge to cross the road. We should cross the road only when traffic light is green. If there is no traffic light, then look to the left and again to the right, and when the road is clear, cross the road. Now, where do we play? In playground, right? Also in playground, if we remember some safety rules, we can avoid. So, while playing, always follow the rule of the game. Do not play rough games. While playing at swings, merry-go-round or seesaw, do not push others. Wait for your turn. We are now at home, so we should follow some safety rules here also. Like, never play with sharp objects like blades, knives. They can cut your skin. Do not play with matchsticks or fire. They can burn your skin. Do not touch electric wires, plugs, sockets, hot irons or heater. They can give you an electric shock. Never touch the gas stove and hot plates. They can give you an electric shock. Never touch the gas stove and hot plates. Peep into utensils on stove in the kitchen. Do not run down the steps and never climb on windows and shelves. You may fall down and hurt yourself. Never leave your toys on the floor. You or anyone else may trip over and fall down. In school, we all have their classrooms. To avoid accidents in classroom, we have some safety rules. They are: never push anybody or throw things at anyone. Do not jump on desk or run around the class. You may fall down and hurt yourself. Never use a blade to sharpen your pencil. Always use sharpener. Never run on stairs and do not hang or swing on windows. Always form a queue while going up or down the stairs. Now consider, by any chance we or any of our friends get hurt, what should we do? We must keep calm and immediately tell our teachers or our parents so they can give us first aid. Now, what is the first aid? The first that an injured person gets is called first aid. At our home or school should have a first aid box. In this box, we have a bandage, antiseptic cream, antiseptic lotion, cotton, pain relieving spray, etc. If the wound or cut is small, we should first wash the wound or cut with water Then clean the area with a cotton having antiseptic lotion. Then tie a bandage or clean cloth over the wound. If you get burned, immediately put that burnt area under cold water or apply ice. So, if we stay alert and careful and follow all these safety rules, we can avoid accidents. That's all for today. Thank you. Be safe.